we're going to do an unboxing video of a Makita 16-inch scroll saw. Alright, so we're just going to take an X-Acto knife and cut the tape. First thing we have is the manual. That's quite thin. So that one will go out to read. So once you open it up, you see we have some styrofoam. I'm just going to take a pair of these pliers and get these pins off. So once you've got all those pins pulled out, just open the box. There is a little pouch of Allen keys and 6 blades. They're all pinned. But yeah. So now let's grab the saw. There it is. Awesome. Now let's see how we get this plastic off. Alright, so once it's out of the box, there it is. Let's start at the front. So we've got the on and off. We've got the speed adjust because it is variable speed. We've got the dust collection, and then we have the angle adjustment. Now this does not tilt the cutting arm, it just tilts the table. Move on to this side. On this side, there is a small compartment here. Not much of a compartment, but you can just put your Allen keys in there and a few saw blades maybe. So, moving on to the back, there's nothing special there. There is this hook here where you can buy a light for, so you can shine at your workpiece. And on this side, it's got the motor and all the information. Now from the top of the saw, we have the dust blower here that just plugs into the top. Then we have the adjustment here of how high your workpiece is going to be. You got the tensioning lever, and then you got the Allen key, the Allen screw here. You can probably just buy a knob for that, but I don't think I'm going to do that.